So, have you forgotten your Facebook account password? They said, then don't worry. If on Sunday, but if you've forgotten your Facebook account password, then keep watching this video completely, because in this video I will tell you how you can retrieve your Facebook account password. So your Facebook account is logged in on your phone, but you don't know what your Facebook password is. So for this data set, the thing you'll need to do is simply go back. And let me tell you one more thing. If you're watching this video from my YouTube channel, then please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay with us. And if you're watching from our Facebook page, please make sure to follow our Facebook page and stay with us. Alright? So I do upload these kinds of videos. Alright friends, for the very first step, what you'll do is you'll directly see settings right here. What will you do in these settings? You'll go there. Yes, you'll go there. Okay. Because I clicked on settings, and after clicking on settings, what you'll need to do next is you will directly click on this specific option right here. What you just have to do here is do the task and don't do anything else. Just click here. So yeah, so after you click that's it, the next thing you'll do is scroll down just a little bit. So once you've scrolled down, you will then see the password and security option right here. What will you do with this option? You will simply click on it. So I have now clicked on that option. After clicking here, the next step you'll take is to look for change password right here. What will you do with this change password option? Just click. After clicking change password, but it will then prompt you with another message. But if you have an Instagram account open, it will display two IDs here. Do not click on the lower one. Instead, you should directly click on your upper account, which is your Facebook account. You need to click on that specific Facebook account. So I went ahead and clicked on the Facebook account. So then it's asking you to enter your previous password, as you can clearly see here. It's asking for the old password, then a new password, and to confirm that new password here. But you probably don't remember your old password, do you? So how will you be able to recover its password now? For that, what you'll need to do is you'll see down here for a forget your password. What will you do with this forget your password? You will simply click on it. So I've just clicked right here. So after clicking, you'll then be automatically redirected to your Chrome browser. It has now brought me to the Chrome browser, as you can clearly see here. And right here, it's asking me to continue. Here it's prompting me to continue, saying you can send your login code. So if your account was created using this specific Gmail address, then Gmail will send you a verification code. However, if your account was set up with your phone number, then the code will be sent directly to your phone number. Alright then. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on continue now. Okay, so I enter the code has been sent to my Gmail. If I enter the code, you'll be able to see it. Okay, so I know I enter the code. So I directly entered the code that went to my Gmail here, and what do I do next? I'll click on continue here. I went ahead and clicked on continue. So if I click on continue here, that it's telling me to set a brand new password. Yet it's specifically asking me to create a new password. So if I actually enter a new password now, my Facebook account's password will be changed. And I've successfully found my Facebook account password. Okay, so essentially this is how you can easily retrieve your Facebook account password without any hassle. Even if your Facebook account isn't currently logged in on your device, I'm going to tell you how you can still retrieve your password. So first, whether your account was opened using a Gmail address or a phone number, you'll need to search for and bring up that specific ID. Once you've found it, then you will proceed to forward it. If you follow these steps and forward it this way, your password will then be sent to you. If you find that you're unable to do it, then please make sure to let me know. I will certainly explain it to you, alright? I'm not going to change this password because I already know what it is. I've created this video specifically to show you how you can actually retrieve your password if you happen to have an older account or ID. And for those who don't remember their ID's password, I've just shown you the process of how they can recover it. Okay, so this way you can essentially retrieve your Facebook account's password. If you enter a new password here, then your task is complete. There are no more issues. So this was a complete video. If you like this video, then please let me know by giving our video a like. Okay, so friends, everyone stay well and healthy. See you in the next video. Goodbye.